Hello everyone, welcome back to StudyBuddy Code channel. We're solving SAT maths questions in the domain algebra and the difficulty level is medium. If you'd like to know how I've selected these questions, you can go back to the first video in this playlist. Let's start reading the question. If x is the solution to the equation above, this one, what is the value of x minus 3? So I'll give you a minute to pause the video and try to solve this by yourself. Okay, let's start solving this question now. So they're saying that we need to find out this value and they gave us this equation. So let's solve it. By the way, if you type this equation in Desmos, which I'll show you in a bit, you will get the answers pretty quickly. You'll get your answer very quickly. But, however, I'll first show you, as always, by solving it on paper, or in this case, a digital whiteboard. Okay, so we have been given, let's just rewrite this equation. 2x minus 6 minus 11 equals, okay, 4x minus 3 plus 6. All right. So here, if you solve this normally, I would first multiply 3 here with 2 and multiply 3 with 6. So let's just do that first. 3 times 2, 6x minus 18. Now we can remove the bracket since we've already multiplied it, which would be, now it would subtract it with minus 11. Okay, and equals, the same way I'm going to multiply this with x and 3. That would be 4x minus 12 plus 6. Okay, so this will be 6x minus 29, yes, and this one would be 4x minus 6. Okay, now let's put all the variables on one side and all the numbers on one side. Okay, so 6x minus 4x equals negative 6 plus 29. 6 minus 4 is 2, so that would be 2x, and here negative 6 plus 29, that would be 23. Great, and x equals 23 divided by 2. So oh, there you go. The option is there. Wrong. That is x. What they asked you is x minus 3. You need to watch out for that. So let's subtract this by 3. So So minus 3. 23 divided by 2 minus 3. You could use a calculator and get it immediately. I'm just going to quickly do that. So that will be, what would that be? That would be 6 over 2. So 23 minus 6. 23 minus 6. That's 17 divided by 2. There you go. Now you've gotten your answer. Not 23 divided by 2, but 17 divided by 2, because they asked you about x minus 3, not x. All right. Now here, now let's solve this using Desmos now. Okay, so I've typed in the equation that they gave us. However, I removed the equal sign and divided them into two separate equations. I'll explain it to you in a bit why. So if you see here, we've gotten an intersection here, and it's 11.5. We just need the x value, okay? X value, and minus 3, that's very important, and we've got 17.2, 17 divided by 2, sorry. So this was in decimal, which is 8.5, x minus 3. If you click on this little button here, the fraction symbol, you would get it in fraction, and if you turn it off, it will give you decimal again. So 17 divided by 2, great, it's option B, that's all. So, but here, like I said, I'm going to explain it to you why I didn't write it as equals and like that. As you can see here, they've converted into a line instead. You can actually get the answer this way as well. It doesn't matter really, but sometimes not in this type of question, in other types of question, when we are trying to find infinite solutions and no solutions, it's better to separate the two equations. And it's a habit for me now to do it that way. So you can do it this way or the other way, which is separating the two equations. Any way as you like, just need to get the answer in the end. So which is 17 divided by 2. Thank you.